Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve a different quiz which is not related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is basically related to factorial quiz. So here we have to solve the factorial of 6 factorial or and 6 double factorial and find out the correct result. We have here two options. Actually, our quiz contains two parts. One part is 6 factorial and other part is 6 double factorial. So we have to find out the both parts answer and check like which answer is correct. Here in the answer list, we have two options. One is 720 and 720. You can say like the solution of the both factorial is same, but the other answer is 720 and 480. So we have to solve it and find out which answer is correct in this answer list. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's start the topic. Before starting the solution, we have to know that what is factorial and what is double factorial. As you can see on the screen, like factorial means the product of all positive integer less than or equal to a given integer. Just like you have an integer which is n may be 1, 2, you can say n may be 1, 2, 3, and so on. So these are the positive integers. So it can be any number. And if you show the exclamatory sign, so it means that you have to find out the factorial of that number. Now, how to find the factorial? As you can see on the screen, like if you have n factorial, so you have to multiply, just it shows in the definition, like you have to product of all positive integer less than and equal to a given integer. So let's suppose we have n factorial. So what we can do here, we will multiply each number which is less than or equal to that number. So the number is n, so it is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on till 1. So you have to step down n minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3, and so on. And after that, you have to multiply all these numbers. So you will find out the n factorial. Now, we will see the quiz part 1. Like we have here, find out the 6 factorial. So you can see, like we know that the factorial formula is n multiply n factorial is equal to n multiplied by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, and so on. So we have to find out the here 6 factorial. As you can see on the screen, like we have to find out 6 factorial. So what we will do here, 6, because we have to find out the 6 factorial. So first we have to multiply, equally write 6. And after that, we will write 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2. As you can see, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3, and 6 minus 4, and multiply by 1. Now, you will say like it is very complex to find out like minus 4, minus 3. So it is simple. You just write 6 because the number is 6. So you have to write 6 first. And after that, you have to go like one by one, step down, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And till 1, you have to write all numbers. And after that, you have to multiply these all numbers and find out the multiplication result. So when you will multiply 6, multiply by 5, multiply by 4, 3, 2, 1, so you will get the answer is 720. So the answer of the 6 factorial is 720. So part A answer is 720. Now, we have to find out what is the double factorial. So as you can see on the screen, like in factorial, you have to product of all integer which is less than and equal to that number. But in the double factorial, you have to find out the product of all integers from 1 to n that have same parity. Like if you have the odd number, so you have to multiply all odd number till 1, right? Now, as you can see on the screen, you have to show like n factorial and write double accumulative sign. So you will say like this is double factorial, right? And n here is maybe 1, 2, 3, and so on. And if you want to know like how we can write the n, oh, sorry, this is n double factorial. So it's how we can write the n double factorial. So it means that n multiplied by n minus 2, n minus 4, and till 1. Now, let's move towards the part B. So part B says that find out the 6 double factorial. So we know that the double factorial is we have to multiply all product of all integers, which is basically that have same parity. So like you have n minus 2 minus 4 multiplied by so on until 1. Like if we find out the double factorial of the 6, so we have to multiply 6 multiply by 6 minus 2 multiply by 6 minus 4. And you can say directly 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2. So it means that when we will multiply, because this number is even, so now we have to multiply all even number till 2. So here we have 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2, and after multiplying these numbers, we will get the answer is 48. So the correct answer of this 6 double factorial is 48. So if you see in the answer list, so we have answer B is correct. 720 is for 6 factorial, and double factorial, we get the 480. So answer B is correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can find out the 6 factorial or 6 double factorial and get the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.